What's up, guys? Caleb's here with me again today. This is going to be part 2 from that last video. We're out here in the back with this. Looks like Lenovo Intel Core i3 desktop. I'm not sure what generation that is, but it is an Intel Core i3. And if you look on the inside here, it's got some form of Intel stock cooler. This isn't exactly an Intel stock cooler. It's some type of aftermarket version, but it has 4 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM in it. So two 2 GB sticks. We're gonna go ahead and get those out. Lightly wipe the prongs off without actually touching the metal. Sit those to the side. We're gonna go ahead and watch Caleb as he still plays with that heatsink. We're gonna go ahead and unplug some of these motherboard connections. Get some of that unplugged so when we blow it out with the blower there in a second, we'll have all of this out the way so we can really get in all those connections. Take the SATA out, other SATA out, set all that to the side. And then we're just going to go ahead and blow this out, and we'll be back once it's all blown out and cleans. Alright guys, so we have the PC fixed up here. The sun's kind of blocking out Caleb's face there a little bit.
That's a good thing.
But it's all blown out here and all cleaned up. We have the drive connected there, and we have the disk drive connected. And that is a 250 gigabyte SATA hard drive. That is not an SSD. It's from a laptop, but it should work fine. And yeah, we're gonna put this thing back together, bring it in, and install Windows and see what happens. Alright, what's up guys? So we're in the house here. We got the PC on. It had a little bit of an issue. I'll let Caleb go ahead and demonstrate the noise it was making when we first booted it on.
Beep, 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 boop, beep, beep. I never heard a computer sing before.
Yeah, that was actually the beep boop sequence. Beep boop sequence? Is that?
I think it was beep beep boop bop beep sequence.
Yeah, it
you
was.
ever watch SpongeBob?
Huh?
Beep beep boop bop beep.
I think everybody's watched SpongeBob.
Yeah, the Mr. Krabs episode with the batteries in the pocket and the spatula and the red eyes and the. You saw it before.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it turned out I was able to figure out what the issue was. It took me a lot of troubleshooting. I was unplugging the drives, doing the one step at a time method to figure out, what it is, one variable at a time, to eliminate each variable as the possible cause of the problem. Turns out somebody had the USB ports disabled on the computer. Now the guy that owned this prior to us getting it
No clue.
He has
no clue how to do that. So I think Bryce did it as a.
So what you're saying is you think he did it and didn't know he did it.
Exactly.
Alright, what's up guys? We got the PC back up here. I have the specs pulled up on it there. Windows is installed on this Lenovo desktop. The system is working. We still have yet to activate Windows, but we will be doing that. The Windows version went ahead and installed is Windows 10 Professional. I'll see if you can see that there. The processor is the Core i3 3240 CPU at 3.40 gigahertz, and there's 4 gigabytes of RAM installed in the system. 64-bit operating system, of course, and that is pretty much all. I'm not too worried about you guys seeing the workgroup and desktop name, as that will be getting changed to something customized. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The system build went very well overall. You got any tape?